Hey everyone, Steffen here from Curtiss-Wright AP Services, here to offer you a SealPRO quick tip. Today we're going to be talking about how to add the outage indicator to a packing record and then how to use that indicator to help manage your outage data. Let's get started.
So the first thing you want to do when you come into SealPRO, if you're going to add the outage indicator to a certain packing record, you're just going to go ahead and search for the packing record of interest. So I just searched for the record in the tag number field, and you notice here we got some good information on the results screen, but there is no outage indicator over here. So in order to add it, all we got to do is we'll click on the record, and then over here on the right hand side there are a series of red buttons that allow you to edit things on the screen. Outage indicator is located under the work items button. And then from the outage indicator drop-down menu, all we have to do is select the outage indicator that we want. And then we click the little floppy disk up here in the corner for save. Now when we go back to the home screen and we perform that search again, you can see that our outage indicator is now in the search results screen. So what that allows us to do is it allows us to manage all of our outage scope for repacks. If I wanted to get a list of all of the valves that have the outage indicator for the upcoming outage, I would just click on the little plus button up here in the upper right hand corner. And these are all of the searchable fields in SealPRO. They're listed by alphabetical order. So I'm just going to scroll down to outage indicator and I'm going to check the box. Click Save Fields. Now, if I scroll down here and I click on this little Show button, you can see that outage indicator is now an available selection. So if I click Fall 2022 in our example here, I'll clear out the specific record that I was working on and I click search. Now all of the records that have Fall 2022 for the outage indicator are displayed in my search results screen. So I can manage which valve packing records have been taken to installed status, which ones are still out there in future unverified status, which ones might need to have the as left torques documented, things like that. I can download it to Excel using this button, all kinds of information. So hopefully you found this useful. We'll have another one for you soon.
All right, there you have it. Pretty simple. Remember, if you want to learn anything new about SealPRO, just go ahead and comment on this video below, and I'll be sure to upload a video explaining what you need to know soon. Thanks.